Well, I certainly can't see how that wouldn't help. I mean, Nortel has been sort of out there for the last few months. Everybody's been trying to figure out what their fate was. Some customers have been, I think, leery about making large investments in the technology, you know, based on what was going on. And I think now they can at least see some light at the end of the tunnel. Just for those applications. So if they can take the strengths of what Avaya has and the strengths of what Nortel has and bring them onto one platform in the future, it's just going to be a more powerful tool for everyone. Less to manage, less to take care of. So I see that as actually being a real plus. Well, I think most manufacturers work diligently with Microsoft around UC integrations, and I mean those are the standards out there, so everybody needs to talk to them. I know Nortel has a deeper relationship in the past than what Avaya does, and I can't see where bringing the both of them together into one, you know, one entity isn't going to be just, you know, a lot easier for everyone involved. I don't know if in our industry if you can make a bigger investment in training. Sometimes we laugh internally and say we're a training company. At any particular time, everyone is webbing or away. There's just a lot of training. It's a very dynamic industry. It's changing. As they bring some of these products together, we're training whether we just had Avaya or we have Avaya and Nortel combined. I think maybe some of the reasons that Avaya looked at this acquisition was that the fact that the SMB space for Nortel is very strong, particularly here in Canada. And Avaya is an enterprise company that you know, has an SMB play, and they have great products there in IP Office and that. But I think that's going to be a real strength in that SMB space. I mean, Nortel's done quite well there. There's no secret, and if we can find the right blend of products in there, I mean, that's just going to make everything stronger as far as I'm concerned. Aura, which is their new product that they've released just recently, which allows you to tie many different disparate systems together. I think that, you know, whenever you're trying to bring out a product that talks or tries to connect to multiple products, I mean, it's always a challenge. I mean, it's a very competitive world. Not everyone wants to help everyone, and it's not all open standards yet. So I think now, if they get this deal finalized with Nortel, I could see the Aura integration with Nortel and Avaya being like really tight. She'll have access to code and software, and it'll be supportive play as opposed to a competitive one.